Hey guys, let me hope that everybody is doing well and you're in good health and also perfect shape. Welcome back to another MDTD vlog. In this vlog today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect fried dumpling. Right, yes. Yeah, I know, not everybody knows how to make fried dumpling, and so I'm going to demonstrate to you how I make my dumplings and how to get them turned out perfectly. All right, so watch the video to the very end. I really appreciate you. All right, so before we get into the video, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. I'm asking you to do this because this helps me and it also helps the channel to grow, right? And together we are growing, and so I really appreciate it. I really appreciate those of you who've already subscribed, and for those of you who are just joining the family, just hit the subscribe button, put a thumbs up on the video, and also share it with your friends and your families. That's all I'm asking you to do. You can also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It is Paul_MDTD. All right? Become a part of the family. I really appreciate you. It's the MDTD vlogs, all right? Stay tuned. Let's get into the video. So guys, to prepare the dough, in the container I have 4 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. To that I'm going to add a tablespoon and a half of baking powder. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of salt, and I'm using the Himalayan salt. 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Anyone will suffice that. And now for the secret, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and this is completely optional. And I also have some water. This is 2 cups. I'm not sure I'm going to use the entire 2 cups, but you want to use your water at room temperature. So what we're going to do, I have already washed my hands. So we're going to combine the ingredients and make sure that everything is combined properly. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, okay? So you want to make sure that you mix in the butter or the margarine well. Alright, so now we see everything is mixed in, and we want to see our flour looking like this, the texture looking like this. Alright, so after which we're just going to slowly add our water. We're going to mix and fold that in. Right, you don't want to pour all your water at the same time, or else you will spoil the dough. So you just take your time and you mix it in. Alright guys, so look, I have my dough here, my flour. I let it sit for about 5 minutes or so. Now I'm going to shape my dumplings. So you just want to break off a piece, put it in your hand. You want to roll it into a ball. Right? So you just fix your hand like this, you roll it into a ball. Right? And then you just press it. Use your thumb to press it. Just like that. Perfect dumpling. I'll do another one so that you see exactly what I'm doing. Right? Roll. Very, very simple. You just press it. There are other ways in which you can make your dumpling. For example, you can break it, you can do it like this. But the thing is, when you do it like this, it becomes a little bit too tight. It's not that fluffy in the middle. But you get the same shape, same thing. All right? So you just continue until you're done. Here I have some nicely shaped dumplings. All right, ready to put in the pot for frying. Okay guys, so let's start the frying process. So I have my oil ready and I am working with medium heat. The reason I'm working with medium heat, you don't want your oil to be too hot. Because if it is too hot, as soon as you put in your dumplings, then the outer part will start burning and the inside is not properly cooked. So you want to make sure that it is medium. All right? And be generous with your oil. So you want to make sure that your flour is cooked properly. So again, we just want to take our time and fry until it's golden brown, right? But remember, keep your eyes on your dumpling, guys. If not, you're gonna have some really burned dumplings, all right? Make sure that you're very patient with your dumplings because you want not just the exterior to be cooked, you want it to cook through and through. All right, colors coming out nicely. And I can tell you, my family, they really love dumplings, fried dumplings. But look at this side, see the color? Golden, nice, right? Okay guys, so I think the first set is finished. I'll just remove that. Wow. Look at the colors, guys. Look at the color. So this is how you want to see your fried dumpling. Golden brown, fluffy. So remember what I've said, do not rush the process. You take your time and you fry, all right? So I'll just put in the second set. So folks, here it is, my perfect fried dumplings. Golden brown, nice and fluffy. All right, still a little bit hot, but just look at this. Fluffy and nice. All right, so go ahead, try the recipe. Let me know how it turns out. All right, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know how your fried dumpling turn out. Not everybody knows how to make fried dumpling, and so I show you it right here on the MDTD channel. All right. All right, so we have come to the end of our fried dumpling video. Thank you so much for staying throughout the entire process. I really appreciate you, and I hope that your fried dumpling turns out just fine. All right, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and also share. Really appreciate you, all right? The perfect fried dumpling. Wow. Golden, brown, fluffy. You can't go wrong. All right? So may God bless you and your family. Be safe until the next video. See you soon.